Here's how you can post on Instagram from your computer in 2020. This video is going to show you everything you need to know in a quick and simple tutorial. So if it does help you out, please do leave a like, subscribe and comment down below. And if you want to follow my Instagram, you can go and follow it. It's at BradleyBRXD. So here's how you can do it. So currently on the Instagram web app, there's no way to post a new photo. But what we can do is we can download a simple Google Chrome web browser extension and we can use that to upload photos. So what you need to do is you need to open a new tab and go to the Google Chrome web store. Once you're there, we're just going to search for a program called Desktop for Instagram. So we're looking for this one here, Desktop for Instagram. We can then add that to Chrome and click Add Extension. I should also comment that if you're not using Chrome, you're going to have to download it, but I'm just assuming that a lot of you are using Google Chrome anyway. So now we can browse Instagram like we normally would do on our phones or iPads, and you can switch it here. I'm not going to do that, but what you can do now is you can click the plus button, and it's then going to open up a pop-up window on your computer. You can then upload any photo. So I'll just go all files. I could go and upload a YouTube thumbnail if I wanted to, but you could upload any photo to Instagram, and I'll just upload one and I'll show you. You can go through all of the stages like you normally would do when you're posting on Instagram. So that's how you can do it, guys. If that video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you all in the next one.